Volkswagen's electric revolution just entered a radical new era. Meet the 2026 Volkswagen ID. Aura T6, the first ever VW in history equipped with roof-mounted LiDAR and co-developed with EV giant Xpeng. Built on an advanced 800-volt platform with a massive 750 km CLTC range and an interior that converts into a 1.8-meter flat lounge bed, this mid-size electric SUV crossover completely redefines intelligent mobility. Welcome back to DRX Automobi. Today, we are breaking down all the autonomous tech, 800V charging specs, and game-changing interior features of VW's flagship Smart EV. Measuring 4.81 meters long with a generous 2.83-meter wheelbase, the 2026 ID. Aura T6 blends sleek SUV crossover proportions with futuristic aerodynamic efficiency. Up front, a continuous LED light bar spans the nose, while a roof-mounted LiDAR module subtly integrates into the windshield line. Flush door handles, clean body panels, and dynamic rear lighting give it an unmistakable, ultramodern road presence. Underneath, the ID. Aura T6 debuts Volkswagen's new China Electronic Architecture, CEA, developed alongside Xpeng, cutting control units by nearly half for lightning-fast computing power. Built on an 800-volt silicon carbide architecture, it delivers up to 750 km of range and lightning-quick DC fast charging. Furthermore, its kerosene-powered ADAS system utilizes LiDAR to enable Level 2+ highway and city navigate on autopilot with automated parking. Inside, VW completely reimagines cabin versatility. The highlight is a modular interior where the seats transform seamlessly into a 1.8-meter flat lounge bed, turning the car into a mobile sleeping pod or cinema room. Driver controls are centered around a massive floating infotainment screen, an AR head-up display, AI interactive voice assistant, and full over-the-air software update capability. Developed by FAW-Volkswagen, the 2026 ID. Aura T6 represents the absolute bleeding edge of VW's global EV strategy. Would you take this LiDAR-equipped, 800V smart SUV over a Tesla Model Y, Xpeng G6, or Neo ES6? Let us know in the comments below. Smash that subscribe button for DRX Automobi, and we'll see you in the next breakdown.